Alright, man, what's going on? It's your boy Sweat. We back with another video. We outside. It's cold as fuck. We with
everybody going to Quaker?
We with Drizzard the Gizzard, Mr. Crash Out himself.
Hey, what you like now?
I'm cold.
You warm out here.
This smells on you, bro. You can't drive, bro. Hey, listen, that's you, bro. This man did a whole 360, bro, and then try to play it off.
Look at the tires, bro. Look at the tires, and I just lost control.
Oh, you ready?
Imagine how much crashing the Durango. God damn. That's bad. Whoa, what? Nah,
Yo.
that's crazy. Boy said, Scat coming soon, we gonna crash that bitch too.
Yeah, we gotta ride out the Quaker.
We riding out the Quaker though, so we out. God damn, them boys racing. Them boys out here racing and shit. Oh shit. You see what that RT do? All that RT getting burnt like a bitch.
God damn. No.
Damn. Oh, my shit. Whoa.
I mean, your shit is still kind of keeping up though. Like,
Damn.
like they was leaving you.
Which way we going? Which way we going, fellas? Right, left. Confused as fuck. Fuck. Nah, they hold. Oh, you hold. Oh, yeah. Let me over. Appreciate you. Shit.
Damn, J-Rod didn't know where we was going.
Cause these niggas is shitty. The Corvette went all the way to the right.
The Corvette did go all the way to the right.
Hey, man.
That's an asshole.
Y'all see it. We got hella more peasies outside doing a whole bunch of illegal shit.
Out here working, goddamn.
Always working, not twerking. Always going berserking and shit.
Yeah,
Damn.
it's just love.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm still in the stock ass RT, so.
Hey, you might be able to keep up with that motherfucker right now. Is that a fun?
Why the fuck is he slowing down?
It's because we turn goes to one lane.
Damn.
They on the right?
Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. We are in Mexico.
Yeah, we in Mexico.
Mexico City. Oh,
But
shit. Damn.
Oh, that's Romel in them. No, it's not. It's not Romel. It's just the Mustang boys waiting on us.
Damn, boy.
They
These RT.
active, ain't they?
Boy, these fucking scats moving on my dumb ass. Oh, the vet up here.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, yeah. It's the race we been looking for.
These big boys. It's Eric.
Y'all, we up here with that shit, y'all.
Pro Charge, Scat, Corvette. And I don't know. Oh, it's a caddy in the middle. Go ahead, show me some.
Yeah. Getting that bond
Show me
10.
some.
Y'all see, I'm in the middle of a whole bunch of wide bodies and shit. Damn.
That's that good stain.
Oh, shit. Let me see if I keep up.
Oh, my
Oh,
God.
I beat this nigga. I beat this. Oh, no, he burnt my dumb ass. Damn. I'm getting burnt, nigga. Oh, shit.
Damn.
Nah, this bitch tweaking.
Y'all want to know?
Y'all, I'm at 121. This bitch shaking. Nah.
You at 121 these niggas put the
Oh, shit.
No, that shit fast.
God. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. The RT has to be built, bro. This shit slow as hell.
Y'all seen that scat right there? That shit took all.
I ain't gonna lie, my boy. If we would've took that Jeep, we would've been good.
Yeah, I'm glad we didn't take my shit.
Oh, shit.
Hey, my shit would be up there in sound though.
Hey, man,
I did not know
y'all see
50s
it?
was that fast, bro.
Whole bunch of fast shit out here,
A whole
man.
bunch of it.
We got Charlies, we got Chargers, we got Mustangs, aka shit stangs. Oh yeah. That's what I want to hear right
He
there.
always get to the front.
Bro, cause this the old man, bro. He always do what he want. God damn, man.
They be like, skew.
Hey, y'all don't forget to like the video.
Bro, you need to get in the right lane.
Support the guys.
They all getting in the right, I think.
Yeah.
They in the right lane.
Alright.
Yeah. Go ahead and let J-Rod get in the front. Yo.
Oh, yeah.
Big boy,
Yeah.
Yo.
I probably should use my turn signal for when these niggas smack my ass, but hey, yo, pause.
Yo, this
Yo,
nigga.
pause.
Wow. Yo. Talk about some
But,
smacking his ass.
y'all see my boy got his plate covered.
Yeah. Wait, is Amazon over here?
No, we passed that.
Oh, sorry.
We passed that a minute ago. We headed to Charleston. I mean, Mexico. We headed to Mexico.
We already into Mexico. We going to...
No. We headed to the port of Mexico.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That makes sense. No?
Yeah, like we passed Mexico City and all that. We headed to the port of Mexico.
Yo, I think we gotta get off, so I'm gonna pick it back up when we all start cutting up loose.
God damn.
Once they start acting up again, yeah.
But y'all see, we got the MOPZs behind me. We got some in front of me. She getting active. They taking us all the way to goddamn Uganda in this bitch.
Same.
Damn, we slowing down all the way on the highway and the goddamn. I need to ask him where he bought his plate dropper. I need that.
Oh, there goes Tito.
Alright, damn, boy. Y'all see, we got that shit outside. Y'all see that little shitter? Let me drop that window for y'all. Y'all see it? God damn. Yes, sir. Y'all see, we got a full lineup. I don't even know if y'all can see all the way up there. We got hella cars. And this nigga passed me with these bright ass lights on. That shitty ass 4Runner. God damn. Oh yeah, they about to race again, but hey man,
Big ass fucking bullshit.
I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I get to a safer driving spot. These motherfuckers got me about to wreck out here holding the camera. Keep it up. Keep it up.
I got you, nigga. Y'all check out. We finna get this good content for y'all. Hey, I need to turn y'all. Hey, I'm turning y'all. That shit OD loud, god damn. Y'all see all these Mustangs? Oh, that's who is that?
Nah, that's somebody else.
I don't know. That shit bright as look. Hey, y'all get this content.
Hella 392s. Hella fucking RTs.
Hella everything.
Hella 5.0s. Hella motion.
Hell yeah.
Hella motion. That's all I gotta say.
Yeah.
God damn.
Hey, should we pick them up later? In a second? Like a quick second?
Hell yeah.
Alright. Yeah, that's a loud ass RT right there. Go ahead, move.
I'm trying to stick with the race club. That's why I'm like.
The race club up there.
Right here. That's there. You know that.
Oh. They probably gonna let them get in front or something. Out here getting this content for y'all. Boom. Y'all see what we got out here. We got wide bodies and shit. God damn. Shit.
Turn back on that sport mode.
Hey, we can pull this motherfucker back up. Hold on, y'all. Hey, where shit? Y'all look at that. Out here getting active. Yeah. Oh, this shit. This a cat right here. I'm in a cat goddamn.
No, maybe act up now. Talking about it's a cat.
I mean, shit, you can act up. Shit, you ain't holding your phone this time. Don't lose everybody now, though. Shit, I thought you wanted to stay with the race. You left them niggas. They in the fight with it right now.
They gonna catch my ass.
Hey, that Charlie loud as fuck. Damn.
Leaving this dumb ass.
Damn, nigga, you
He thought that shit was fast. He thought that shit was fast. I'm don't
Yeah, this nigga wild.
Quick little 130 pool for y'all.
Oh, are they racing up here? What the fuck? Wait, should you get in the middle?
Yeah, I can't be flying up.
Oh, damn. That real life be the problem, though.
I see, like when I see scats flying up, I know not to get over, bro.
Shit, if I see anything flying up, I know not to get over.
Now, I could jump a RT or a Mustang. I can't jump a scat. Or a cat. Hell, I'm definitely ain't jumping in front of a cat.
You can't get to the middle now?
Hell no, this one right here.
Damn.
It's like 4 coming up behind me.
We dead ass
It's
nigga.
Charlie on my ass.
I don't know why you never. I don't even know why you got in the left lane. We gonna miss everything now. It's cool. The Infinity.
Y'all better get out that goddamn window. That's what you need to record right there. Like, we is in the fucking middle of content.
Oh, so you want me to, hold on, y'all. I'll get out the window. But I'm holding 2 fucking phones. I ain't gonna be able to hold shit.
Give me the phone now. Just crack the window.
Should I just say fucking and do it?
Fuck it, let's do it.
It might be better content.
Oh, the SRT right there. Well, that thing's sitting pretty.
Big boy SRT. Big boy SRT. Yo, I ain't on AC hard as fuck. I got the RT right here. You don't want that shit, nigga? You don't want that shit, nigga? We got a big boy scat.
Damn.
Alright, we gonna put a window up again.
Damn.
So they about to race up here to vet. I don't know.
Hey man, it's your boy Sweat, you know what I'm saying? It's the next day, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but your boy is sick, man, so, hey. But, as y'all saw by the video, man, we was teed up last night. But, you know what I'm saying, I missed a lot of footage because I was the one driving. And, you know, my man's had to get his own content, you know what I'm saying? No hate, you know what I'm saying? We working, you know what I'm saying? So, I did miss a lot of stuff. I mean, you know, I can still get the clips if I want them, but you know what I'm saying? I'm not tripping. But yeah, man, before I put down the cam, that Vet and Mustang that y'all saw in that last clip to my right, I think it was, they went, and that Vet is crazy. I ain't gonna lie. That Vet, I think he won every race. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But, yeah, man, I just wanted to come out here, you know, talk to y'all, because that video did kind of end. Like, that last clip ended kind of abrupt, so I was like, let me come out here and speak to y'all right quick, let y'all know what's going on, man. But, hey, comment down below. Feel better because your boy is sick, though. Not gonna lie. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but, your boy is sick. I don't know what I got, but it got to go. But, hey, y'all see it, man. That's the wall of dreams right there. Y'all see it. Mark my words, I'm going to own each one of these cars back there. No cap. But, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out.
Get your girl a check free. She ain't used to text me. Now she want to caress me. She keep trying to neck me.